Are you having problems with the Zepp app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what we're going to do firstly is to actually just close the Zepp app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. I'm just going to go back into my main settings page here, as you can see. So now on your settings page, you're just going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to click on General, as you can see. So click on General, then scroll down in here a little bit and click on Storage. And now you're just going to wait for all the apps in here to load, scroll up and click on Search. In Search, you're going to search for Zepp here, as you can see, and click on the Zepp app. Now you should be taken here, which is perfect. So in here, click on Offload App. Once again, down below here, as you can see, click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here. We're just going to wait and then click on Reinstall App, as you can see. Now just simply wait for the app to completely update to its latest version, because this is going to actually fix a lot of the bugs that was in the previous version. At least when I did this actually fixed this issue for me. I don't know, maybe when they release like a new update, we have to get it to fix the bugs. But try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.